Welcome back. We animated the auto-generate options. We're gonna add a new blog here. So the new blog title is gonna be will update Ellit. Okay. I'm gonna click save, and then I'm gonna hit cancel. As remember that cancel will bring us back to the blog page, and now we have will update Ellit, but it's not really the user experience is not really great if they have to save and hit cancel to go back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna implement a little bit of logic so that way when we hit save, okay, it's it's going to automatically redirect us to the blog detail page. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So in order to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the blog reducer, and in the new blog success, actually let's go to blog state first. We're gonna create a new variable, a new state variable. We're gonna call it, actually we call it blog created. It's gonna be a Boolean value, okay? Um, Then let's pass it here, blog created, and we're gonna create a function. Let's say clear current, const clear current. You're not gonna pass anything. So what that one is gonna do is whatever the current blog is. Actually, let's call it clear current blog. Okay. All we're doing is we're gonna pass a type, and we're gonna call it action type clear current. We're gonna go back to our context action to make sure we have clear current. We do not. Clear current blog. Yeah. Clear current blog. Sure we have that. Let's go back to the state. Clear current blog. And also, let's do something about clear errors here, okay? You'll notice that some of my errors were not, some of my toast were kept repopulating, so that's why I didn't add any functionality to it. So we just did that. I'm gonna hit save. Let's pass clear current blog. Let's go to our reducer one more time. And it's clear current blog, and all we're doing is we're saying current blog is equal to null. Once we have clear current blog is equal to null, we're going to go back to the new blog success. If you recall, we had the blog created variable here. So let's go back to the reducer, and we're going to do blog created, and we're going to set that to true. All right. So we're setting that to true, and then over here in the clear current blog, we're going to set it to null. All right. So I'm having an error. Need to figure out why. Okay, that error is gone. All right. So now in our new blog, what we're going to do is we have to call clear current blog, and we're also getting blog created variable. And in our use effect, we're just gonna call these two. We're gonna get blog created, and then clear current blog. We're gonna do if blog created navigate, and we're gonna say backtick, blog, not blog created. We're gonna navigate to, actually, let's say const underscore new blog is equal to current blog. Okay. Current blog underscore ID. So we just need the ID. See, let's just do ID here. Okay. Current blog ID. Let's get the current blog also. Current blog. What's the error? What's the navigate? Okay. Navigate. We have blog created. Okay. All right. So we're gonna say if blog created. We're gonna say we're gonna get the ID for the current blog. We're gonna clear current blog, and we're gonna navigate to blogs/ID. So let's see how that plays out. We generate that. Okay. So I had an error. I'm gonna try to replicate it here. So when I click create new blog, over here on my new blog page, this right here is gonna trigger an error, and I'll show you why. So it's gonna say if blog created. Okay, so when I click save, this is going to turn to true, and I'm saying if blog is created, then find the current blog, get the ID, clear current blog. Actually, no, I don't need to clear the current blog. So yeah, get the ID and navigate to the new one. Okay. But let's see what's the error we're gonna get here. Let's hit save. The error that I'm getting, okay, cannot read property of null underscore. So it cannot get this current blog, and the reason for that is because in the blog reducer under the new blog success, I'm not setting the current blog, so I need to do current blog is equal to action.payload. Okay. Current blog like this. Now that I have that, if we reload, generate, now we should be redirected. I'm making a lot of mistakes here, so part of the reason why this is not working is because I have triple R's here. So we're gonna try that again. Let's reload, auto generate, and here we go. All right. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.